guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Kenitha. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I give myself this beautiful layer cut. If you want to see how I cut my hair like this, stay tuned for the video. One thing that you can use, one oil that you can use to protect your hair from heat is castor oil. So I have a little bit of castor oil I'm going to use.
So let's get right into the video. You don't have to use castor oil. You can use any other form of heat protector. To mention, I didn't apply super hot heat on my hair. I started with the cool setting, and gradually to medium hot. I just needed my hair to stretch a little bit for the trim / cut. I am using this, form of this method to trim my hair because I've seen it all over TikTok and social media. So I was so excited to cut my hair. I've cut my hair before, guys. I've cut my hair before, but it was like in this heart shape. The back was the back was longer than the front compared to today's hair cut, which is going to be layers. But wish me luck. Anyway, so I am using this way to trim my hair because it was a bit easy for me to do it, and I did it on clean hair, washed my hair, put them in big braids, so it would be easy for me. Right now I am actually doing a length check. Okay, so I trim and cut my hair I think December, so my hair have grown since then, and I will link the video to the first cut that I give myself up here, okay, so you can go watch it. So that cut actually was during COVID. I think it was during COVID. So I used to trim my hair every 3 to 6 months, and as I saw needed. Before, length wasn't my goal, it was more so healthy hair, but now I am focusing on both health and length. So let me know in the comment section below, what is your hair goal? Is it health or length? Let me know in the comment section below.
Guys, I did it. As you can see, it is layered. Look at that. It is layered. I should cut more.
I actually wanted to cut my hair shorter because I wanted the layers to show. However, I said to myself, I'm gonna go to a professional to get it done for me because I don't know if I'm messing up my hair or anything like that. So So right now, I'm not sure if I'm still going to get it cut and later, since now I said, length is one of something I'm focusing on. So I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't know if I should leave it to go or just to still go and get the super lay. I wanted to give myself a bang, but I don't even put my hair out to wear the bang. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I don't know.
So, my God, yeah, I did it. Is this side a bit shorter than this side? I think so. Do you guys think? Yeah, this side is shorter than this side. It's okay. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is my cut. I love it. Let me know in the comment section below, how do you cut? How do you get a trim? Do you cut your hair yourself? Do you go to professional to get it done for you, or you do it in between? You cut yourself and then go to a professional. Let me know. In my case, I don't know. You guys will let me know if I need to go to professional to clean it up for me, to shape it up for me, if I did a good job or not. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I would really appreciate that. As always, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you in the next video.